Is Bitcoin gonna go past $30,000? Will you be able to grow old with Bitcoin? Probably. If you thought crypto was only for teenagers, think again. Even as the recent market devastation serves as a clear reminder that this wild market is not for the faint-hearted, it appears that more people in the United States are turning to cryptocurrencies to help fund their retirement than ever before. Bitcoin is commonly favored as an inflation hedge, based on the idea that fiat money would lose value over time as a result of fiat currency pumping. Bitcoin, on the other hand, is limited to 21 million coins. The limited upper limit offers Bitcoin an advantage over inflation. But is Bitcoin immune to inflation? Today we'll go over all the latest updates regarding Bitcoin and discuss why people still prefer the crypto market leader even when it comes to pension funds. Let's get right into it. Older people prefer Bitcoin. According to research released by crypto exchange KuCoin, 27% of Americans aged 18 to 60, around 50 million people, had owned or traded cryptocurrency in the last 6 months. According to their poll conducted at the end of March, older people are more committed to the emerging asset class than the general public, with 28% of those aged 50 and up counting on crypto as a part of their early retirement plans. Their main reason for investing in crypto was that it was the future of finance, so they didn't want to miss out on a hot trend and that it would diversify their portfolios. Bitcoin is priced at $30,423 at the time of making this video in June, down 60% from a record of $69,000 in November. And as a result of the market crash, many newbie investors are now in the red. Nonetheless, cryptocurrency investors and experts are keeping a close eye on the market for any signs that Bitcoin may be on the road to a comeback. The crypto frenzy has deteriorated investor sentiment to the point that certain indicators indicate a suitable entry point for long-term investors. Bitcoin funds, including exchange-traded funds, suffered the worst loss since May 2021, and its position estimate for Chicago Mercantile Exchange Bitcoin futures was reaching oversold territory. KuCoin's poll came only a week after the Federal Reserve revealed that 12% of Americans experimented with cryptocurrencies as an investment last year, according to a survey of 11,000 individuals conducted by them. It didn't split participants by age, but it did find that over half of those investing in crypto had an annual income of $100,000 or more, while nearly a third had an income of less than $50,000. Has there been a rush from asset managers to accommodate this demand if elderly investors are in the new crypto leading edge? Well, people may soon be able to deploy a portion of their retirement savings in Bitcoin through their 401k investment plans, according to Fidelity Investments, which made headlines in April. Bitcoin price update. Bitcoin's price has maintained its $30,000 plus price and is holding steady so far. This is Bitcoin's first ray of hope for its investors, as the cryptocurrency and stock markets have failed to recapture upward momentum after so many people have sold off their assets in the fear of losing money this year. According to Nicholas Cawley, a strategist at DailyFX, a research website that provides technical analysis on financial markets, Bitcoin's price might be challenged again if it doesn't increase beyond $40,000. Experts argue that the crypto market has been progressively monitoring the stock market in recent months, which, along with increased widespread usage and the recent price slumps, makes it even more linked with macroeconomic forces. This implies that issues that normally impact stock markets, such as increasing inflation, geopolitical crises, and concerns about the Federal Reserve's tightening monetary policy, are currently affecting crypto markets as well. On May 4th, the Fed raised interest rates for the first time in 22 years in an attempt to battle inflation, which slowed to 8.3% in April, according to the most recent inflation data. So far in May, Bitcoin's price has fluctuated between $28,000 and $31,000. Despite a sluggish start to the year, Bitcoin entered 2022 on a high note, with a strong November and early December period in 2021 that gave way to the current downward trend. After beginning the 2021 year at the $30,000 level, Bitcoin rose steadily throughout the year, reaching an all-time high of $68,000 on November 10th. According to CoinMarketCap, the entire market value of the leading cryptocurrency has plummeted to $579 billion as of early June 2022. However, in the previous 24 hours, the crypto behemoth's volume increased by 12%. According to the statistics, there are over 19 million bitcoins in circulation, accounting for 91% of the entire theoretical quantity of assets, which Satoshi Nakamoto set at 21 million. Bitcoin's dominance in the crypto card reached a 7-month high of 46.01%. The The crypto marketplace as a whole should be expecting a bumpy ride, according to experts, and investors should hang on to their positions for the time being. Bitcoin is clearly attempting to break beyond the $30,000 barrier and having a hard time with it. It's important to note that crypto isn't the only market in a bear market because several macroeconomic issues are exerting pressure on both traditional and crypto markets throughout the world. Bitcoin is reclaiming its position as the world's most valuable cryptocurrency. According to CoinGecko's statistics, at the time of making this video, it accounts for 44% of the overall crypto market value, the most since October, shortly before the last bull market ended. Additionally, the fall of the Terra USD stablecoin 2 months ago has destroyed lesser tokens like Avalanche and Solana, cementing Bitcoin's supremacy. Bitcoin has also outperformed Ether, the second largest token, which has been hit by its investors pulling out after their effort to make its core blockchain less costly. Typically, altcoins underperform Bitcoin during a crypto market drop since they are seen as higher risk currencies than Bitcoin. But despite its recent gains, Bitcoin continues to suffer a number of obstacles, including monetary tightening by central banks throughout the world. And while its dip is minor in comparison to other coins, it came amidst a scene of growing global stocks. Luckily, Bitcoin doesn't go down without a fight and has started moving in tandem with stocks as seen in the last few months. European officials issue crypto warnings. Last month, Bitcoin plummeted 5% to roughly $29,700 following stock market declines due to concerns about soaring inflation and increasing interest rates in Asian trading markets. As the catastrophic collapse of Terra USD, a so-called stablecoin, has stirred up crypto markets already tumbling amid widespread selling of risky assets, the world's largest cryptocurrency has lost nearly 1/5 of its value so far this month. Terra USD, which lost its 1-to-1 ratio peg to the dollar and is now trading at 12 cents, according to CoinMarketCap, has highlighted the importance of stablecoins in the crypto system. Crypto assets, according to the Bank of France governor, might destabilize the international financial system if they aren't regulated and interoperable in a uniform and appropriate manner across jurisdictions. Stablecoins, which he claimed were misnamed, were one of the causes of danger. Likewise, Fabio Panetta, a member of the European Central Bank's executive board, cautioned on Monday that stablecoins are vulnerable to runs. On May 12th, Tether, the world's largest stablecoin, temporarily lost its ratio of 1-to-1 peg before regaining it. Tether, unlike Terra USD, is backed by traditional asset reserves, according to its management company. Conclusion. Despite a considerable drop from its recent all-time high, many analysts believe Bitcoin's price will eventually soar over $100,000, describing it as a matter of when, not if. Shortly after Bitcoin's most recent all-time high in November, Ethereum's price surpassed $4,850, setting a new all-time high. Following the recent peak, Ethereum has witnessed similar volatility. For this reason, we advise against putting a large portion of your portfolio into the crypto asset class. Make sure unpredictable crypto investments don't get in the way of your other financial goals, such as putting money aside for an emergency fund or paying off high-interest debt. Price fluctuations are to be expected for people who invest in crypto for the long term, adopting a buy and hold approach. Big drops aren't anything to be concerned about. Keep your Bitcoin investments to less than 5% of your whole portfolio. If you've done that, don't worry about the swings because they'll keep happening, so don't be afraid. What goes down must come up, and vice versa. It's all a matter of timing your buy-ins and sell-offs. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. Join the conversation in the comments section below and let us know what direction you think Bitcoin and the crypto industry as a whole is heading in. If you're new to the crypto scene, consider checking out our video on the best crypto investing strategies for a quick rundown of the best way to get into crypto and profit out of it.